In a controlled studio, a gleaming flagship gadget is unveiled, its spec sheet flashing like neon heartbeat across the screen. The host narrates the paradox of tech worship, praising power while insisting the true test lies in responsible curiosity and restraint. A stress test begins, cameras circling as tempered glass catches cinematic light and the internals glow under controlled flames. The moment of demolition arrives with precision, a choreographed sequence that demonstrates durability while ending with a dignified finale. What remains is a reminder that progress comes from disciplined testing and thoughtful storytelling, not reckless spectacle for clicks.